We're going to take a look at Google Earth Studios. This is an awesome place where you can go in and you can set up and kind of do like your own drone footage. It'll make more sense as we do it. Anywhere in the world, it pulls satellite imagery. You can fly over it, you can look around, you can zoom in, you can check it out, all kinds of cool stuff. So when you first search Google Earth Studio, you sign up with a free account and then you're in here. You're going to click blank project, and I'm just going to hit test for YouTube. Whatever you want to do, call it something so you kind of know what it is. And then once you like it, if I spell it right, it helps too. And there you go, ready to go. And then right now, don't worry about any of these numbers. They're all fine. Just hit the start button. And then it's going to open up and you have the whole world here. And see, I'm clicking on it, dragging it around. If you can do this and try to find different places anywhere in the world you want to check out, which is really cool. And then in the top left here, if I click on that search, then I can pull up any of these different places wherever I want. Let's say I'm in San Antonio, Texas, which is where I do real estate. I click San Antonio, Texas. Now it's showing the whole San Antonio, Texas. And it jumps into that spot from just clicking on that little search button. I'm going to use my mouse and scroll down, or you can use 2 fingers on the mouse pad. You can come in and out like I'm doing right now with my fingers on my mouse pad. And you just spread them in and out and come in, and you can see the San Antonio downtown. So the first thing you can kind of see when you get closer, there's going to be some things that are going to start to be recognized. Like here's probably the sports center. I think it's whatever AT&T now, whatever the sports center, they just changed the name. And they kind of do that. So I can go in and out, make it taller, bigger. See, the closer I get, a little bit better you can see it. Here's the needle, the downtown restaurant at the top that slowly spins around. You can kind of see now, it's kind of like, I want to see better view than this. So that's fine. If you hold Alt, ALT on your keyboard, and then click and hold on your mouse, I can start to shift the screen now. So now, oh yeah, this is the Sports Center. Here's the Henry B. Gonzalez Convention Center. Here's the needle. Going over here, you can check it all kind of out here. Over here is your Riverwalk. Right here is a Riverwalk coming down. Here's the downtown Riverwalk. You can kind of see everything kind of all together now. But if you want to do a video, maybe I want to start here. And then once I start here, I might want to fly over to here. And then I might want to end up at the Riverwalk. So the first thing you see, you have all this stuff at the bottom. You have these 2 groovy looking squares. Say I want to start my video here. I'm going to click right here and start. And then you see it does these 3 dots. So this is my starting point, okay? And then I'm going to move my video the way I want. Let's say I want to fly over and end up here next. I'm going to maybe go to halfway and pull it halfway. And then I got to move it back. So you got to pull the red over first. And then you move it and then you hit the dots again. So now I'm starting here. Then I'm going to here. And then let's say I want to go somewhere else. So I'm going to pull it to the end. And then I'm going to go over here to the Riverwalk. See my screen's changing. I'm going to use Alt to go this way. And then I'm going to be able to finish. If I want to go a little closer, I can with my Riverwalk view right there. And then I hit this right here. And now it's good. So now if I hit render, this is what you see. I'm flying over this convention center, flying past here just like I'm in a plane or something or a drone. And then I'm going to switch over and go right here and end up at the Riverwalk. And see, there's my Riverwalk right there where I wanted to end up. And then it just keeps coming. And if you like it, then of course you just pause it here. You just hit submit. And once you hit submit here in the bottom right, it's going to say, you submit successfully sent. It's going to go through and submit it. And it's called rendering, where it makes the video. It's going to render and make you a video. And then once you make the video, you're going to be great. And let's say if you want to do if I spell this right, the Eiffel Tower in Paris. So here's the Eiffel Tower. So this is a really cool landmark that every one of you can Alt again to kind of pull myself back. I might want to shrink it down. Now I'm in Paris. So say I want to do a drive-by of the Eiffel Tower. I can do this right here. See, it's so tall that it makes me pull it back a little bit. And there it is. I can fly into the Eiffel Tower, check it out, fly anywhere I want to sit. I can go to the Louvre, any of these other cool places, fly in like that. Here we go. And go close. I can start farther away. And the next thing can be closer in, like right here. And then I can fly in and check out the other places. And all this stuff in Europe. and all these other cool places you can check in Paris. So that can be used for anything like this. You just have the fun, you move it around. Remember, all you do is take the wheel or on your mouse pad. I'm doing my mouse pad right now. Once I click in, I'm in and out, and my mouse pad can move it around this way. If I do 2 fingers, I can also click and hold and move it on the mouse pad. And then if I hold Alt and move my mouse pad, click and hold, it'll move it around like that as well. If you don't have a mouse, it works the same way using the Alt. It's just a little bit more. It's easier if you have a mouse. And this, you can jump anywhere in the world, anywhere you want to check it out. And it's really good. I grew up on a pond in Maine. And if I go to Jimmy Pond in Litchfield, Maine, there's the pond where I grew up. And then I can check out everything about the pond, and the pond connects to other lakes. I can go look at the other lakes. All this is really cool. You can check anywhere where you lived, anywhere that kind of the area is at. And then again, if I want to go down, I can get lower. I can use my Alt and I can change it around, kind of see what the topography is a little bit. All this kind of cool, really neat stuff is all available for you. And of course, here, because there's so many trees in Maine, it doesn't let you zoom in very much because the houses are covered in the trees usually. But there is a road you can see going through here through the woods. So it's really cool, kind of really neat kind of place to look. This is another stream coming in here we called it the brook. And then here's connecting to the lake. So you can learn about all kinds of different areas by playing with this. Have fun, practice it. Again, Alt, move it up and down, change it, and then the mouse moves it in and out so you can check it out. Hope that helps you. Have fun with Google Earth. Make your own videos now to show different areas, and you can share that with your friends. Good luck.